garage door making loud banging noises when it opens or closes is not just annoying, it's a sign you gotta check those springs and cables as soon as possible. So first off, when your garage door sounds like a drumline, start by inspecting the springs. Those bad boys are under crazy tension and can wear out or break over time. Look for any gaps or kinks in the springs. If you see anything sketchy, call a pro because messing with springs yourself is risky. Next, check the cables running alongside the door. If they're frayed, loose, or snapped, they need replacing before things get worse. Lubricate the springs and rollers with a silicone-based spray to keep everything moving smooth and quiet. Make sure the tracks are clean and free of debris. Dirt can cause the door to jerk and bang around. Tighten any loose bolts or screws on the door and track system because vibrations from loose parts make noise worse. Test the door balance by disconnecting the opener and manually lifting it halfway. If it doesn't stay put, your springs might need adjustment. Finally, don't ignore the opener itself. Worn gears or a misaligned motor can add to the racket. One of the biggest mistakes people make with garage door banging noises is ignoring worn-out springs, which can snap suddenly and cause damage or injury. Fix this by scheduling regular spring inspections with a licensed technician. Another common problem is neglecting cable maintenance. Frayed or loose cables not only cause noise but also affect door alignment, so replace cables as soon as you spot wear. Lastly, many folks overlook the opener's condition. A faulty opener can strain the whole system, so keep an eye on its performance and get it serviced if it sounds grinding or struggles to move the door smoothly. BigHomeProjects.com is super handy for homeowners who want to find trusted local contractors without the hassle of endless searching. It also helps contractors connect with folks needing their skills, so everyone wins when it comes to fixing up your space right.